Hello guys and welcome to Block Party Trading Daily Analysis, and we are looking at T. That's right, just the letter T. As a ticker ID, USDT perpetual futures on MEXC. We're looking at the 6-hour time frame, one of my favorite time frames, and we're looking at a pretty clean-cut opportunity just here. We can see that we are in a very distinct downward trending range. And we see plenty of taps on the top and plenty of taps on the bottom. Quite a nasty little consolidation, to be honest. It's a sign of low volume, low activity, but it also means that usually there can be quite a big move that comes out of it. We have just broken clean through the bottom of the range and a pretty strong move downwards. So this is quite a distinct start of a bigger move. Usually when we see a dump, it is followed by another one not too long afterwards. So you can enter as soon as it breaks sometimes, but it's always good to try and go for the pullback. So us getting in here is quite a good entry in my opinion. However, if you do want to push for a better entry and wait for it to retrace a bit higher, you absolutely can do, but there's no guarantee it's going to get back above there. We've got our stop loss just set above the most recent swing high, which is a very bearish candle with a big wick on top. But some of the other triggers that incited us to take this trade is we have a bearish signal from our proprietary indicator. We have tested and been rejected from the weekly pivot, as we can see just here. As I always say, these things get filled a lot of the time. And then as well, we've got the very powerful 20-day exponential moving average, which acts as a fantastic support and resistance marker. And we can see just here on the 18th of April that we tested it and got rejected. We tested it again and got rejected on the 6th of May, and then one more time on the 11th of May, which caused the start of the cascade down. Of course, we have the upper trend line, or the top of the range, which it tested and got rejected from again. And then lastly, we have a breakthrough on the key CVD trend line, as we can see just here. If we were to look back in time as to what impact this does have, we can see there's a quite key trend line that does actually start a little bit further back, but it's same means to an end. We broke through just here and we continued down very strong, and yet again we continued down very strong. Now you may be looking at this CVD and thinking you are oversold, so we could bounce from here. But again, if we take a little bit of a look back as to when we have been near the oversold line or even crossed it, we have seen very, very little bounce from there. In fact, it has really just continued to go down. So I wouldn't worry too much about it being oversold. Anyway, guys, good luck. If you like the content, give us a like and a subscribe. Of course, hit that notification bell to find out about these video opportunities hot off the press. And if you absolutely love our content, then please head on over to blockpartytrading.com and check out our premium services. Last but not least, if you want any custom analysis or analysis requested, then please drop a comment and we will look to see if we can get round to it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and catch you on the next one.